You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you,
And you got me too.
we can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
Hi guys, welcome back to That Simple Life with the DeVores fam. I know that was like a really long intro. That was our community's annual pumpkin walk, so different businesses and whoever really wants to enter can just decorate pumpkins, have a theme, and you can win prizes. So actually the Cars theme, my 6th grade son Wesley, that was his class's theme that they did, and Wesley actually painted Lightning McQueen. But it was really fun. The reason you don't see Tiffany in the video is because she did have her second COVID shot yesterday, and she is in bed today. She is not feeling well, so praying that she feels better by tomorrow. So right now the kids are just playing. I am making some potato soup in the Instapot. I already got the bacon. I guess I could flip this. I've got the bacon cooked right there for toppings and some green onions. I bought some cheddar cheese as well, just a small bag. So we're just having a simple dinner tonight. And then after dinner, my husband is gonna take all the kids with the exception of Kennedy. So I will stay home with her. They have a haunted car wash down the street that they really wanted to go, and my husband actually has a free car wash, so it works out really good. Kennedy's already afraid of the car wash, so you start throwing in people dressed up as scary goblins and clowns, and she's not going to be able to handle it. I mean, just going through the car wash period without that stuff, she does not like. So I'm going to stay home with her, and me and her will watch her Peppa Pig Halloween cartoon because we never got around to watching movies tonight. Sorry, they're really loud. They're playing. Hold on. You got. And then hopefully if it doesn't get too late, we can still watch Hocus Pocus. We still got a week left before Halloween, so there is still time. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our pumpkin walk. I'll show you the potato soup when it's all done, and then I will bid you goodbye. Oh, and obviously I'm not filming the car wash, the haunted car wash, because I won't be there and it would probably be too dark anyway. I'm not sure if my husband or my daughter will get some videos. They might not, I don't know. So there you go. Okay guys, here's my potato soup. I forgot to film it because I was already eating it. But it's nice and creamy. It's really, really good. Kennedy's having beef stew from last night.
I like three.
Really like countries?
Okay guys, I'm gonna finish this. They're gonna head off to the haunted car wash, and I will catch you next time. Chicken tendies.
So, for a sec. What the?